So I just want to bring in some extra columns into the sales table. So I'm in Power Query and I click on Removed Other Columns. Then I click on the gear icon. Now these are the 3 extra columns I want. Press OK then. Now I want to rename the extra 3. So this is one of them. So click on it, F2. So sales territory, I'm going to make as territory number. Click insert. The next one, F2. This will be order number. Insert. F2. This is the third one. This is order line number. Insert. Click change type, and the order line number, I want to make that whole number. So I go to home and close and apply. So those extra ones are there now. Now I just want to turn off the summarize. So click there on the first one, modeling, and default summarization is sum, so I want to make that don't summarize. Also, I'll do that with this one. Product number, same thing. Territory number. And this one here, unit price, don't summarize. Now I'll save that template, export Power BI template. That's okay. So I click on this one, that was the previous one. I'll just change the number to 3. And save. So that template is saved now.